Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Kabbage small business loan. Now, if you're a small business owner looking for flexible financing, Kabbage offers a line of credit that works almost like a loan. You borrow what you need when you need it and repay over time. Here's how you apply. First step is head over to Kabbage.com and click the apply now or get started button. You're going to be prompted to create an account using your email and a secure password. Step 2, fill in your basic business details, things like your business name, industry, and how long you've been operating, as well as your business structure. This helps Kabbage to determine if your business meets the initial requirements. Step 3, and now comes the most important part, connecting your business finances. Now, Kabbage asks you to link a business bank account or financial service like PayPal, QuickBooks, or Square. Don't worry, this connection is secure and only needs to read your transaction data, not to move your money, so you don't have to worry about that. Step 4, once your data is analyzed, you're going to receive a loan or credit line offer, usually within minutes. It includes how much you're eligible for, along with the repayment terms and fees. The final step, if you like the offer, just accept it right on the spot. Funds can be available in your bank account as soon as the same day or within 1 to 3 business days, depending, of course, on your bank. And that's it. Super simple, no long forms or waiting weeks for approval. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.